How we organize ourselves can either help or hinder us in the way that we deal with our stress. Clutter can add more chaos, but being too worried that everything is in its place can stop us from being productive and creative as well. Your personal organization should help you to move forward, give you some sense of control over your space, and help to decrease the stress that you feel. So here are today's hot tips for building resiliency and celebrating National Clean Off Your Desk Day. Try cleaning off your desk and see if you notice stress relief from being more organized and neater. Purge periodically. It takes time but gives you more space, and you may find that it can trigger your creative juices. Use baskets to gather project materials together, unread magazines, journals, computer accessories, etc. Ensure that you have enough desk area to work comfortably. Don't touch junk mail more than once. Do something with it or throw it into the recycle box. Looking for more ways to build your resiliency? Take my free online vulnerability test at worksmartlivesmart.com under the Resources and Courses tab.